How to check Sharjah Islamic Bank IBAN number, get Sharjah Islamic Bank IBAN number by SMS. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can check Sharjah Islamic Bank IBAN number and get it by SMS. So first of all, you have to open a new browser tab and search for Sharjah Islamic Bank official website, and after coming to the official website you just simply click on the menu options from here, and on the tool sections you can see a option called IBAN. You just simply click on IBAN and then wait for the page to load, and you can see here is the option called generate IBAN. So it says things to note: enter your correct and valid SIB 13-digit account number to order to generate your correct and valid IBAN. SIB will not be liable if any losses whatsoever resulting from entering an incorrect or an invalid account number. You can obtain your IBAN by logging on to your SIB account banking or SIB digital app. So after coming to here, you just have to give your bank account number, that is of course Sharjah Islamic Bank account. You have to click on Sharjah Islamic Bank account number and click on generate IBAN, and when you click on generate IBAN, it will send you a SMS to your registered phone number with the account, and after that you can see the IBAN number from here. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.